Hi, I'm Peter Chirico with Chirico Physical Therapy and Wellness. And today we're going to go over the answer to a question of how do you know you have a pinched nerve in your neck? And there's three symptoms or signs of that. And we'll go over that and in a second. And what people usually tell us when they come in, though, is that they feel like they slept in the wrong position on a sofa or in bed, and they woke up in the morning with a crook in their neck. Other people tell us, they think they have a herniated disc or a bulging disc that's pressing on a nerve and causing pain. The three symptoms and signs that indicate whether you have a pinched nerve that we can teach you today are the following. Number one, if you have constant muscle tension in your trapezius and neck region that feels like rocks that just won't go away and won't let up. Number two, if you have, you can also have number two, numbness and tingling from your neck area down to your arm and into your hand area. Number three is muscle weakness, usually in the arm or hand areas. But these are the three signs and symptoms of a pinched nerve. If you feel you may be dealing with a pinched nerve, or you've already been diagnosed with a bulging disc or a herniated disc in your neck, that and you have what we call radicular or radiating symptoms, give us a call. We can get you in right away for an evaluation and help you. Our number is area code 909-345-3370, or you can connect with us through our website at Chirico Physical Therapy and Wellness, or chiricopt.com. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you or a friend is having a neck problem, feel free to share this video on Facebook, and we hope you found it helpful, and I want to thank you for your time. Bye-bye.